Yo, what's up, guys? Remember, like, subscribe to T-Boys Motorsports. And today, we are riding quads and dirt bikes, but we are going to show you guys a little detail on our straight pipe scooter. We have a straight pipe scooter. Yes, it runs pretty good.
It had a muffler, but we cut the muffler off it.
Yeah, now it's obnoxiously loud.
And then we took the exhaust and put it upside down.
Yeah, so you're gonna see some GoPro footage of Travi on the Can-Am and me on the 250, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, right now we're gonna spray some starter fluid into the carburetor, and then yeah, into the thing. And then we're gonna start it. It's not running perfectly. It's bogging down and stuff. It's because we need to clean the carburetor in it. It's just maybe later today. If you guys want a video on it, if it blows up this video, we will do a video of us cleaning the carburetor on it, right? And no, we are actually cleaning the carburetor on it. And
Yep.
yeah, I mean, that's really it. That's really it. We put a new spark plug in it, and it ran perfect until now. It's running just a little iffy. But yeah, right now we're tightening up spark plug, and we've had this thing since like basically 1990. Well, my uncle did, and then they gave it to us, and we fixed it up, made it run perfect, and now it's back where it's at. It doesn't want to run perfect. I mean, it's pretty fast. I mean, you're gonna hear it when Travi rides it around the lawn. Maybe I'll ride around the lawn once, and yeah, we're just gonna do a little video on the scooter real quick, and then we're gonna ride the quads, and yeah. Alrighty, don't give it gas, right? Oh, shoot.
Give it a little. Give it gas. Hold on.
Yeah. It's really loud, so maybe we'll ride it around the lawn if it holds up for us. So I gotta grab my brother's helmet. We're gonna ride it. This thing is fast. We left it outside last night, so yeah. Riley, come here. So yeah. Riley here. Well, I'm going to end this video here. And yeah, if you guys want more videos on a straight pipe scooter when we clean the car, let us know and like and subscribe to T-Boys Motorsports. I'll see you on the next one.